exclusive of Republic TV. Well, we know that time and again, Republic tried to speak to Tejaswi Yadav as well as Lalu Prasad Yadav, and particularly on corruption charges. And they have been avoiding media. They have been attacking Republic and calling us anti-national. But Tejaswi Yadav finally chose to break his silence. In a super exclusive interview to Republic TV's Deepti Sachdeva, he has said that Mahagathbandhan is pretty much intact, and this perhaps is a political vendetta. Let's listen in to this exclusive interview of Tejaswi Yadav to Deepti Sachdeva of Republic TV.
Hi, can we quickly have a word with you? What happened in the meeting between you and Nitish ji? How was the meeting?
This is not a right place to talk, actually.
We don't get to speak to you because you don't speak to the media at all.
We will, on time, we'll talk.
So Nitish ji was... What did he say to you?
They have to have their meal also. Let them, do not disturb them.
No, it's not about disturbing. I'll only take 2 minutes.
No, it's fine.
So how was the meeting between you and Nitish ji?
I don't have to comment on anything.
Why was the meeting nice?
Nothing, thank you.
Nitish ji का आशीर्वाद मिला आपको. Is he okay? Is he happy?
It's all okay, nothing to worry about.
Because remember he says कि आप public domain में जाके clarification दीजिए. We don't need anything else.
See, this is not a right time to talk about all this.
Why? Why is this not the right time to talk? One second.
No, it's okay. We'll speak some other time.
But you can just give me a sense of how things have been going, because you had a 50-minute long meeting with him.
We'll speak some
Tell us everything is fine, that's all.
There wasn't anything. It's all a creation of a media, that's it. And
Media or the BJP? Media or the BJP?
now, I don't have to comment on anything. It's all.
So you believe that this was all only political vendetta?
See, I have been saying this since very long time only. So again and again clarification. I don't have to clarify about it.
It's not important to clarify, you believe? Or you've actually put out the clarification for him?
I have said it earlier only. It's nothing.
So the Mahagathbandhan is intact.
Bandhan was always intact. It is intact and it will be intact only. There is no harm in Mahagathbandhan. Nothing is there. Everything is fine in Mahagathbandhan. And Nitish ji, he is our chief minister and I am his deputy chief minister. We have a lot of work and we have to respect the mandate for the people also. We have to deliver our work also, development thing. We are focusing on that. So we don't want to talk about anything. Right?
So would you want to send one message to the BJP and all those who've been playing politics on this? Is there a message that should go from the Deputy Chief Minister saying don't disturb us because we are concentrating on development?
We are concentrating on development only, and next time whenever I'll be going in public soon, and we have been organizing a huge rally and we have invited many national leaders also from opposition parties. So we'll say our things, so you people also should wait till that time. Everyone is getting disturbed right now.
Yes, because see, that is important, that the right message goes out in people.
On 27th August, people will speak their own thing. Everyone will be there. You people will be also invited over there, so you can listen what our leader, what we all have to say over there on 27th of August.
So right now you assure us everything is fine. You've put out your side of the story to Nitish.
It was always fine. It is still fine and it will be fine in future also. There will be no trouble in Mahagathbandhan. This is all the creation of the BJP people and some of the media. I don't blame all the media, but there are some people in media who's like this.
Thank you.
All right, after much reluctance, Tejaswi Yadav had to break his silence. He speaks to Republic TV's Deepti Sachdeva on board to Delhi, I believe, saying that Mahagathbandhan is intact, also adding that I won't be sacked at all. Remember, this interview perhaps is very critical, exclusive, because this is the first after the major controversy broke, especially the cases of corruption charges that are clamped against them by the ED as well as CBI raids. Now, he in fact tells Republic TV that there's going to be a big rally on August 27. So that perhaps will be a rally of strength. Dipti Sachdeva now joins us on this story. Dipti, after much reluctance, finally you managed to make him speak. Congratulations. But what do you really make of it? What is the underlying message? Because he definitely looked very uncomfortable, but finally broke his silence and opened up.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Sakal, just one sense at his body language, and you will perhaps get a feeling that nothing is fine, actually. He's coming out, the RRT is coming out to tell us
Yes.
all is well. But at the same point, remember, sources very close to the Chief Minister do indicate that there is a time that has been given to the RJD to come out in public domain and make themselves clear. This is number one. And when you hear Tejasvi Yadav, here is him confirming that 27th of August is the D-Day when essentially the RJD, I believe, will be going to speak when it comes to these allegations. And also, let's not forget that he is traveling to Delhi. Why? Because he is seeking some legal help. We are going to understand he's going to be meeting with Ram Jethmalani later today. So yes, this is the RJD with their plan B.
Yes.
Because they do know that after the allegations that have been mounted by the CBI, by the Enforcement Directorate, they will have to go to legal recourse.
Dipti?
Yes,
Dipti?
yes, sir.
Yes. Dipti, just be there with me on that story. Let me quickly go across to Neeraj Kumar, JDU leader. And in fact, you would like to talk to him. Let me quickly go across to him. Neeraj ji, ये क्या हो रहा है? अब तेजस्वी ने, he has finally spoken to Republic TV. बता रहे हैं कि 27 अगस्त को एक बहुत बड़ी रैली आयोजित होने वाली है, लेकिन सब कुछ ठीक है महागठबंधन में.
27 अगस्त को जो हमारे कटक दल आरजेडी की रैली है वो पार्टी की रैली है, पार्टी स्पेसिफिक पार्टी की रैली है, वह पब्लिक डोमेन की बात वह नहीं है. सबसे महत्वपूर्ण विषय है कि जो न्यूनतम साझा कार्यक्रम है जिसके आधार पर जनता ने जनादेश दिया. तो प्रजातंत्र में, डेमोक्रेसी में जनता मालिक होता है. किसी पर कोई आरोप लगा है तो सरकार उसके बचाव के लिए नहीं होती है, सरकार की भूमिका वही होती है. भाई आखिर हमारी पार्टी लगातार यह बोल रही है और ये आउटसोर्सिंग हो रहा है. भाई जो आरजेडी में जिनकी कोई भूमिका नहीं हो जवाब दे रहे हैं माननीय शिवानंद तिवारी, ये पॉलिटिकल आउटसोर्सिंग चलेगा क्या? इसलिए हमारे समझे कि जो हमने
देखिए ये अब उधर इधर जा रहे, उधर इधर ये सवाल